So this week, facial steams. A very quick and natural way to cleanse your skin with like a deep treatment, kind of give you that spa thing at home, is a facial steam. Facial steaming is essentially that you steam a selection of herbs for your skin. Most of the time people will just do a selection of herbs that they like the scent of. But this week we're going to talk skincare treatments that you can do at home. A natural skincare, obviously, always natural. With each selection of herbs, you can, like I said, you can choose whatever herbs you like. I mean, you obviously need to enjoy it. If you're looking to tackle dry skin, oily skin, mature skin, or just normal skin, and you just want to do something natural, just kind of open up your pores, do a little deep cleaning, I'm going to have 3 different that I formulated just for that purpose. So where do you get your herbs? You can always use my vendors. I go to Mountain Rose Herb, and that link will be in the description box. Or if you have a local herb shop or vendor that you trust, obviously use those. Couple tips: you want to make sure you do organic, pesticide free. You want to make sure there are no chemicals. You want to make sure that there are no pesticides, no additives, no fillers. You want to make sure you're getting the pure dried leaf. If you're super adventurous and like to dry your own at home, feel free. Use fresh. You can, but it's, again, you've got to make sure that you're just not buying fresh flowers from the local street vendor or a grocery store or wherever you get your flowers. If you go to a farmer's market, save a few leaves for like a little facial steam or something if you want to do that day. Yes, a lot of things can be found on Amazon, but I cannot stress this enough. When you're dealing with your face and your skin, that is your everything. So you really want to be good to it. And the point of these videos is for you to take a natural approach to your skincare. Make sure the source that you're getting it from is completely, not just organic, pesticide free. Make sure they're not spraying it on its way to you. That's another kind of loophole that people don't know about, is that it can say organic and be grown and raised organic, but then they can spray it in transit. And so you want to make sure that you trust the source that you're buying your herbs from, because there's no point in doing natural remedies if the product itself isn't all natural. Get your selection of herbs that you'd like. You're going to pour hot water over them, and then you'll take a towel and you're just going to put it over your head and over the bowl to kind of trap all that steam. And you're just going to slowly sit there and inhale and take it all in, and just kind of enjoy that process. You don't really need to do more than 5 to 8 minutes. You're definitely going to really open up your pores. You want to make sure your face is clean before you do this, because you don't want to open up the pores on a dirty face and then have that dirt and clog your pores. So you definitely want to make sure you're working with a clean surface, and you just want to put it over your head. Take in 5 to 10 minutes. Keep the phone away. Just really just kind of close your eyes and just enjoy the spa-like treatment that you're giving yourself in that little me time. Facial steams detoxify your pores. They clean out any impurities in your skin, any buildup that it will remove. It'll open up your pores. Warmth opens up your pores and allows you to take in whatever topical treatment or whatever you're doing to your skin. So all the benefits that are coming up from the facial steam and from whether it's rose or lavender or skullcap or whatever you're using, will penetrate your skin, and it'll allow, by the fact that your pores are open, it'll allow you to receive all of that. It'll start to loosen any blackheads or whiteheads and allow them to be removed from the surface of their skin a lot easier without any scarring. Yeah, you're just gonna enjoy like a little spa treatment at home. It's super easy, super quick. You need to do them every week. That would be fantastic if you could throw this into your skincare regimen once a week. But even if you just do it once a month, where you can squeeze in 5 minutes for yourself, do this. I hope you enjoy, and I will see you on the other side. Enjoy. So the first beauty steam we have is a perfect for oily skin types. This one is going to be great for cleaning out your pores. You have a lavender, a little bit of dried rosemary, and skullcap. Lavender is going to be great for calming of the skin. You have rosemary that's going to soften your skin, and skullcap, which is the coup de grace in this blend, it's going to increase firmness, elasticity. It's an anti-inflammatory. It's great for getting rid of saggy eyes, cellular regeneration, great for anti-aging, protects against sun damage. I mean, does it all. So you definitely can't go wrong with that one. This is your dry skin blend. You have these 4 beautiful flowers that are going to do wonders for your skin. Up top is chamomile, which is a great antioxidant, fights free radicals, it's healing, it's a skin lightener, restores your natural moisture, it enhances the effects of even other topicals that you put on. You have lavender here, which is just beautiful. Lavender is so pretty and calming and soothing to the skin, a natural anti-inflammatory. And of course your beautiful, beautiful rose, which is hydrating, gets rid of fine lines and puffiness, and it's just pretty and it just smells so good. And then of course calendula. Helps with dull complexions, hydration. This blend in and of itself is just kind of hitting everything at all angles when it comes to dry skin. And it's just going to help round everything out. It's going to calm, soothe, hydrate, and moisturize. So this one is perfect for dry skin. So this is your normal skin blend. We still have rose and lavender, but this time we added lemon peel. Lemon peel is a great way to brighten up your skin. It enhances the natural glow of your skin and also helps stimulate new cell growth. This is a perfect way to round out this blend, and it's perfect for normal skin. I hope that answered some of your questions. I would love to know what you think. I would love to know what blends you've come up with that you really love and why. I would love for you to subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notifications so that you can get updated every week when we send out our new Thursday beauty tip. I will have a couple of announcements coming up soon, so stay tuned for that as well. I know people tend to think that natural skincare is a little too isn't accessible and seems like it's a bit more complicated and more work than it's worth. I promise you it's not more work than it's worth, and it is definitely can be done very easily and quickly and simply. So I really hope you're enjoying everything, and I will see you guys next week. Bye. So I hope that had no. People with Prime can I can have it tomorrow night. I can have it tonight. I could have it in the morning. I hope you enjoy using. Yeah. Come back after video and talk some more because clearly I haven't talked enough.